And now, first come to make his way to the ring, Overflow, P.J. Britton.
We're back, baby. So some of you are probably thinking, Molives, you're in the middle of a boxing ring, 20,000 people in the arena watching you. Well, I wasn't fighting, but like I was there. That must have been crazy, right? Yeah, it was. And now we're back to passing out pretzels on airplanes. Ladies, please, it is called talent. Find you a man that could do both, you know? I'm dating applications, no, for real. Sign to my DMs. Anyways, for real, we're back, better than ever. Fight Attendant Life. Guys, it's so crazy. I'm gonna be honest. The past like week was just unreal, and then hello. I know I'm talking to a camera. Weird, huh? Yeah, just being weird. Anyways, England was dope. It's crazy. I'm back on the plane. Today I'm actually working one flight. We're going to Nashville, aka Vegas. You guys know I'm in Vegas right now because it's where I'm based. I'm based in Vegas, working with I don't know, some people who are probably looking at me like I have 20 heads right now. Yo, Molives, did you really just take 45 minutes for a 3-second joke? Yep, yes I did. Because that's what you do when you're 50 years old and you've never seen a vlogger in your entire life. But it's okay because we're gonna make them love the vlog. We're gonna make them love you guys. Vegas is looking absolutely gorgeous right now, even though it's probably like 5,000 degrees outside. Not a full flight, literally one flight and done. Like that's it, that's all we're doing. We're in Nashville tonight, Chicago tomorrow, and then we're back to Vegas on whatever the day after that is. You guys are flight attendants, you already know. I never know what day it is. I'm also gonna tell you guys more about the financial parts of the trip. So like, you guys liked it, I said that my flight was $90 the other day. So I'm gonna tell you how much I make and how much money I'm spending throughout the trip for the next 3 days because you guys wanna know that stuff. Because it's kind of like top secret information. But yo, I'm gonna let you guys know because you guys are my hitters, my mother and homies. And yeah. So if you guys are not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like on this video and let's have a trip, baby. Ooh, baby, you know who it is. It's your boy Dale right now. We're out here in Nashville. I mean, are we going? Where are we going? We're going to Tootsie's. We're going two-stepping. Huh? Yeah? All right, guys, we're not gonna go there because I'm the D on the trip, aka I'm by myself. You know, I worked with these lovely ladies today, and they're leaving me. I don't know why. They just, you know, I showered today, which is like I usually don't shower, but like. I did shower today, and it's surprising, you know? I usually shower sometimes. But yeah, going to the hotel, motel, 10-hour layover. I gotta figure it out all by myself. No one's here to hold my hand.
We're gonna hold your hand. We'll hold your hand.
Actually?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're talking. Broadway, wow. See? That could be us. That could be us, you know. It's okay. It's okay. Would you look who it is? What up, girl?
Hi, how you doing?
Hey, if it isn't my favorite season. Guys, this is Summer. Me and Summer were in class together.
Hi.
Summer, when was the last time I saw you, girl?
It's been a while.
I know. You know how long it's been? Too long, you know? How you been?
Good. How you been?
I've been amazing. Life is good. See, like, that's the thing, you know? Like, when you don't see people for a long time, and next thing you know, we're riding the shuttle together. Yeah, thank you, man. Summertime.
What's your next destination?
Oh, bed.
Well, I mean, travel-wise.
There is more, right?
No.
I am not sure. I'm by myself.
I don't know.
Oh, there's a D?
I'm the D. I'm by myself.
Okay.
Because our two pilots, they actually went downtown.
Summer. What's good, girl? How are you?
Working.
Yeah?
That's
Chilling?
Really?
Chilling like a villain
Yeah.
on penicillin?
Oh my God, I'm gonna be all on your blogs. And
All
stuff.
up on it, girl. Know that.
Okay. After a long day.
I know it has been a
Yeah,
long day.
everything's good.
Yeah? Like, what was
Yeah.
the craziest thing that happened today?
Nothing really crazy. Just a long day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A lot of ups and downs.
No! God, please, no! No!
What's up, girl?
That bag.
Oh, this bag?
Yeah.
Oh, you see me flexing the Louis, huh? Flexing the Louis.
Let me have it.
Oh, you can have it?
Oh, I can?
Yeah. Actually,
Is it real?
oh, is it real? Wow, is it real?
Is it real?
Of course it's not real. What am I gonna do with $2,000 bag? Come on. This shit ain't real. Get out of here.
I'm sure you
No real Louis bag. Alrighty, let's go, baby. Couple beds. Oh man. Yes, I love these sheets. I love these pillows. Look at this. This is what you gotta do, guys. If you get 2 beds, boom, then you get all the pillows, baby. Check out the master view. Oh, baby, we got a balcony. We've hit the jackpot. We don't know how to open it. Oh, we know how to open it. Woo, baby. All my day ones know what's Gucci every time we go to a hotel room. Alrighty. Yeah. What the? They knew I was coming. You're no match for me, baby. Shout out, Vivi. Oh, wait, more. Shout out, Vivi, again. 2 times, baby. Quick little change up. You know how we do it. Your boys gotta eat, though. And actually, wait. You guys see it? You guys see the food? I'm gonna try and get close. Don't stop watching. Ooh. Oh, baby. Let's go. Molives with the fettuccine alfredo. You bougie, bro. It's not a big deal, you know. It's, you know, when I make as much money as I do, it's really... Okay, guys. I'm going to eat this, and I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to break it down to you, how much money we make, and, like, per flight hour, per diem, and how much money I've spent today. And I'm going to do it for the next few days as well, in terms of the money I spent. And then, yeah. So here we go. You baby. All right, guys. So to break it all down, I'm gonna put everything up right here on the screen. You know, it's funny I say up here on the screen, but there's no screen right here. But I know you guys are watching it on the screen. Anyways, all like the math and everything. So today I just worked from Vegas to Nashville. So that was a 3.5-hour flight. But the least amount of hours that we can get paid for in a day is 6.5. So technically I only worked 3.5 hours, but your boy gets paid for 6.5 hours. So we're only paid when the door is closed till when the door is opened back up. So all that time during boarding, see us in the airport grabbing food, you see us, I don't know, checking in or whatever, we're not getting paid. We get paid by flight hour. So I've worked for 3 different airlines. The first one I worked for, it started at $18 an hour. That was my regional airline that I worked for a few years. Then I went to Virgin, and now I'm where I'm at now. And I've been here for a few years, and I'm at like 30, 31 bucks an hour. And then you get per diem. So what per diem is every hour you're away from your base, you get paid $2 and some change for every hour you're away from your base. So I'm away from my base for 63 hours on this trip. So that means 63 times 2 and some change is like, I don't know, that. Alrighty, so let me do this mathematics for you. This is approximation. So since I worked 1 flight today, 30 times 6.5 is 195 bucks. Minus the food I had today, this was 15, and then I had an acai bowl, which was like 8, so this is like what, 23 minus 23 equals 172 plus my per diem. So I was away from my base for like, what's it been, like 12 hours? So it was like plus 20 equals 192. So I made 192 bucks today profit. So the per diem is pretty much just like for food and stuff. It's non-taxable per diem too, so that's pretty big. I honestly don't really know what that means, but they don't take Texas out. I'm in Nashville. Okay, I need to go to bed. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I get paid. I'm gonna let you guys know tomorrow and the day after that, because I'm gonna be vlogging a lot more now, guys. You guys like the flight attendant vlogs? I got you guys. You guys are my homies. And oh yeah, the hotel is completely free. It doesn't include breakfast, but you know, we also get discounts like 40% off at this hotel, which is dope, you know? That's why I was feeling myself, get a little fettuccine alfredo for the kids. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, this bag, yeah, it's fake. If you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like on this video, and you know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.